this video link in description below. Now at first we are going to Google and video link, join, click here and click to continue with Google and click continue with Google and take your Gmail. If you want to continue with Facebook and continue your Apple anywhere, now type your Gmail address at this bar. My Gmail address Khalek 551 and continue click and choose your username. This username is unique. You must use unique username. This username Fiverr not found here. Throw any name matching your profile Fiverr your account activate. Now typing my name Khalek Mia. Khalek, this username already Fiverr use it and Khalek Mia is okay. Now choose my password and password click. You must be remain that your password strong. You must be use first capital letter and you using a number. Suppose we are use capital letter or a small letter combined, this password is not matching. Suppose this example we are trying capital letter, small letter, this password giving below not matching. So we must be use password capital letter, small letter and number using. You must be use capital letter first and second small letter using and use at last your number. Suppose you use 19 and 09 anything number last at here. Now join click here and complete your work. Now choose your category or category graphic design. I select graphic design has a subcategory, a lot of subcategory, logo design and Canva design and gaming, etc. Photo editing, web design. Now I select photo editing. Photo editing is the best site payment all time. Now click my photo editing, click here. Now your work complete. Now send your email verification. Fiverr your email, send an email. You are going to my email here, my email, click my email box and Fiverr already sent an email. Click my email and active my account, click here and click my active account. My another account log it through my another account here. So we are going to Fiverr Google app. Not need to work here. Now we are going three dot icon, click here, three dot icon, click and refer, get up $100. You invite this link, you are getting up per invite $100 and work bonus has there. Now so we are looking below, invite your Gmail. Now copy your email address and share Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, any social media. Now share your Gmail and earn $100 per invite. I hope this understand. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.